Webinars have emerged as a powerful medium for education, marketing, and connecting with audiences. Demio Webinar is a cloud-based webinar hosting tool designed to help businesses create, launch, and manage live, automated, or recorded webinars, facilitating engagement with prospects as well as clients. It features white-label capabilities, allowing firms to create webinar rooms with custom logos, colors, and themes to develop their brand identity. With its intuitive interface, automation, and interactivity, Demio empowers businesses to create high-quality, engaging webinars that drive results. Demio allows marketers to design and send out customized webinar registration pages. It supports configurable registration page templates for the promotion of events and the capture of customer information for subsequent marketing campaigns. Demio allows users to add links to registration pages on their existing websites or landing pages, as well as send email notifications for upcoming events. It enables users to gain insight into the performance of webinars, including attendance rate, attendee focus, average time per session, and click-throughs to optimize future webinars, streamline the marketing funnel, boost lead generation efforts, and raise conversion rates. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Demio webinar review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Demio Webinar. What does Demio Webinar really do? Demio is a revolutionary webinar hosting tool that helps revenue-generating teams drive engagement and increase conversion rates, while building relationships with prospects, partners, and customers. From webinars to question and answer sessions, users can enjoy seamless HD streaming, automatic replay, and analytics to improve their webinar experience. Demio enables marketers to create various webinars, such as live, hybrid, automated, or on-demand webinars, upload presentation slides, and share videos with attendees. Users can create registration pages with custom fields and collect information by embedding forms on their website or landing pages. Demio also helps presenters create interactive sessions using polls and live question management and improves engagement by distributing handouts, gifts, or bonuses. Moreover, you can record sessions and add custom elements or call-to-action buttons to recording pages. With Demio, it remains easy for non-technical users to build customized webinars that reinforce brand image. By incorporating their logo, color palette, and visual elements, Demio helps users establish a unique and immersive webinar experience that leaves a lasting impression on their audience. Benefits and key features of Demio Webinar. 1. User-friendly interface. Demio boasts a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced webinar hosts. 2. Automated webinars and recordings. Demio offers robust automation features, allowing you to streamline your webinar processes and engage with your audience effectively. 3. Interactive engagement tools. With Demio, hosts can access features like polls, featured actions, and handouts, enabling them to involve their audience and actively drive participation. 4. Robust engagement analytics. Demio provides hosts with comprehensive insights into attendee behavior and interaction during and after webinars. Hosts can track attendee actions, poll participation, click-through rates, and chat contributions. 5. Conversion rate optimization. Demio goes beyond simply hosting webinars by providing features and tools that maximize lead generation and conversion rates. It does this by allowing users to automate webinars and on-demand events. 6. Visually pleasing presentation tools. Demio prioritizes the user experience. It minimizes distractions while putting your brand front and center. 7. Demio AI feature. This will automatically manage your chat discussions and enhance participant interaction. You can then customize your workflow by focusing only on questions and topics that matter most to your attendees. 8. Detailed analytics and reporting. Demio automatically tracks the origin of registrations, so you can measure the success of various channels and campaigns. You can then merge this webinar data with your marketing automation platform to identify qualified leads. Demio Webinar's pricing and plans. Demio offers a 14-day free trial. after which paid subscriptions span 3 plans, which include the starter, growth, and premium plans. Custom enterprise pricing is also available. Overall costs vary depending on the intended webinar frequency, size, and other requirements. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get unlimited resources and attendees on all your webinars. Pros: real-time engagement tools that boost interactivity and conversion rates. Email integration and automation with event reminders. Pre-recorded, on-demand, and automated webinar options. Powerful built-in analytics to optimize webinars for better results. The drag-and-drop editor requires zero technical skills to create a professional webinar. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: unlimited live webinar sessions and automations are only offered in the paid plans. Conclusion: Demio Webinar has proven to be a useful tool for users from a variety of industries. Users have discovered that Demio improves their overall presence in presentations by supporting handouts, polls, and other interactive elements, allowing them to gain consumer trust and boost conversion rates. It has been invaluable in lead generation, allowing users to maintain interaction with their audience via webinars while also identifying problems and ideas that might have been missed. Demio solves problems related to webinar analytics, hosting and recording, registration pages, and email reminders. Its customizable nature and large room capacity at a lower price allow users to host engaging live sessions and offer self-serve, on-demand experiences, amplifying their sales efforts without the need to scale their team. Overall, Demio has provided a solution for various use cases such as product marketing, sales, customer education, success, and even nonprofit fundraising events. It has enabled users to reach a large audience through simple marketing methods, assess participant focus using analytics, conduct surveys and training sessions, and even create evergreen webinars. Demio remains a top choice for many enterprises looking for an effective webinar solution in today's digital work-from-home era due to its user-friendly design, smooth integrations with other platforms, and great client feedback. Whether you're looking to generate leads, convert prospects into customers, or build lasting relationships with your audience, Demio has the tools and capabilities to support your marketing efforts. Demio empowers marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses to connect with their audience, drive engagement, and achieve their goals. Take advantage of the opportunity to leverage the power of Demio for your webinars and virtual events. Try it today and experience the difference it can make in your marketing efforts. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Demio Webinar. If you enjoyed this Demio webinar review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.